What's Grandpa doing? Look at Grandpa. What's Grandpa doing? Jimmy, what's Grandpa doing? What's Grandpa doing? What's Grandpa doing? Look at. What's Grandpa doing?
What? What?
What's Grandpa doing?
A baby.
Jimmy, what's Grandpa do?
Hey, Jill, come here.
Grandpa doing, making noise? Huh? What was Grandpa doing? Show me how Grandpa sounds.
Oh, he's country dancing.
Show me how Grandpa sounds.
He can dance.
Was Grandpa snoring? Huh, Jimmy? Tell me how Grandpa was. No, Grandpa wasn't doing that. Jimmy. Come tell me what Grandpa was doing. Huh, what was Grandpa doing? Huh, what was Grandpa doing? Snoring? Can you dance? Can you dance? No, no. Grandma spank. Can you dance? Dancy dance. Yeah. Oh.
Good you. No, no faking it.
What's the matter, Jimmy? Hey, what's the matter?
Oh, is that a tear? Is that a tear? This is for you. That's who. He just knows what that is, don't he?
Mm-hmm.
North 2, 1029, California. 1 J-John, J-John, SAM 822. 1 JJS 800.
No, no.
What are you filming it for? Huh?
Hmm?
What are you filming it right now for?
Where's Santa Claus?
Oh, oh, oh.
What's Santa Claus say?
Oh, 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 oh.
Jimmy, what's Santa Claus say?
That's not Santa for Papa. Where's Santa? Say, oh, oh, oh. That's not Santa. Where's Santa Claus, Jimmy? Oh, there? Look. Look. Why are you checking that out? Look, Santa Claus. The film Santa. On the door, baby.
10-8, again, 1077. Also, can you invite 24, all 1053 stations? AC.
Stay here. No, no, no.
Go ahead.
Oh, he walked right off.
What?
He He'd walk right off of it.
What?
Them steps.
I know. Did you try to?
Mm-hmm. You fall.
208
No, no.
208 South 10.
That's my mama. I need you.
102.
I need you. Come take care of me. Huh? Give me some
1096.
love. Thank you. Here, put it
Also
back.
102, no 1029,
Thank
California
you.
Place.
Thank you.
1984 Mercury.
What are you doing?
10-4.
Goofy. I need you. Jimmy. Mama needs you. Mama needs you. Jimmy. Mama needs you. I need a love. Oh, I need love.
Show your muscles.
Stand by for 911.
Oh.
Funny face. There's funny face. There's a funny face.
Go backwards. Oh, that's circles, honey. Go backwards. Go backwards.
Safe Susan room.
Give me that. Can I have a kiss? Mom, have a kiss? No? Papa can have a kiss, huh? Mama wants a kiss, baby. Jimmy. Not Papa.
Oh, muscle.
Mama. Come here, kiss me. I don't want to kiss a mouse. I want to kiss a baby. I want to.
Let's go see Santa Claus. In here. Here in the other room.
Jimmy. Quit it. Come here. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is that Santa Claus? Where's Santa Claus? Where's Santa Claus?
24.
Look! I did it! I did it for you! Come here. You was playing with that camera. What? Put it up.
You little tinker.
I'm gonna take take the gate back tomorrow then. You think I ought to get it today?
I'd get it today.
Pick up Muriel Long. She goes to the plaza. There's no return on her. And then after you drop her off, pick up Rose Durston at 1700 Paz Walk and take her.
Hey Jimmy, where's your funny face?
Okay, first one first at 11:30 I pick up who?
Let me see.
Muriel
Let me
Long.
see your funny face.
Oh.
Oh!
As that goes out on the corner, take her to the plaza.
Uh-oh.
No return.
Oh! Uh-oh!
Next one. At 11:45 to 1700 Paz Walk, pick up Rosie Durston and take her to Granada Beauty. Are you parked so you can write these down? Guess where? That's why I'm sitting here writing. Okay, turn the page over. After you drop off Isabel Power at Louis Dirty Way, going over by 1015 Blaine and pick up Margaret Numbers and take her to Hy-Vee East. Stand Rescue 2, Stand Rescue 1. At 1:30, pick up Gladys Adams at 1700 Paz Walk and take her to Joseph's Beauty. 1700 Paz Walk Drive. That's all as you can see.
Put it back.
Today because we
Put it back.
close tomorrow. Okay, 10-4. I got them all down. Can I'm gonna go. Sorry, kiddo. I'm checking advise when Desire 1054 reference 295's reports.
That Mickey Mouse shirt? Wow. Mickey Mouse shirt.
Reverend Last, at this time, Bert Lamley is in court with this hearing. Reference, the vehicle parked in Winter Block and Phillip. It's 70 boy 1380, I believe. It's 70 boy 1380.
Get off of there.
You go ahead and call Corey. It's been here over the 7 days. It's still parked over.
Thank you.
Corey, call him. We'll tow the vehicle.
No. Gary,
10-4.
thank you. Thank you.
2.
Put it back. Thank you. Thank you.
You get your note.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, no. No. You leave that alone. Leave it alone. No. No.
You want?
No.
Yeah, perfect, son.
No, not thank you. No.
1720 on both. 01720. Yeah, 10-4. I'm taking the keys back. Alright. Let's go on, Blaine. Turn that back on. Sure. This is delinquent. We're trying to pay. Turn it back on.
Put it back. Put it back. Thank you, little turd. Thank you.
Madison 9076.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Thank you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Could you give me a call number?
Let it snow. The Holiday Station store on 23rd Street in Columbus will be open as always from 5 a.m. until midnight all through the holidays.
Can you walk backwards?
Stocking stuffers, it's holiday. Fulfilling batteries.
Jimmy,
Like eggnog.
can you walk backwards?
It's holiday. For a bag of candy, 50 cents each, or 2 liters of Coke at 89 cents, it's holiday.
No, Jimmy.
$6.99 for 2 at the and Jordan's Toboggans is $5.99. As always, Mark Dahlstein and his staff are always happy to serve you a happy holiday. Good holiday. Today's really Saturday, 93. Good morning. It's 5 minutes after 9 o'clock. Ryan Knight with you on this Christmas Eve morning. It is the 12 hours of Christmas. It's going to be cloudy today. Not quite as cold as it was yesterday. Could see some intermittent light snow. Tomorrow for Christmas.
Can you walk backwards?
Kennedy 93. Coming up, we're going to be drawing out more names for the Kennedy 93. 12 hours of Christmas.
Go dance.
Come on, let's go backwards. Come on.
On the road, Kennedy 93.
Dance with your mama, Jimmy?
Can you dance? Jimmy, dance. Let's see you dance.
What are you doing? New stereo?
He's looking for them speakers so he can poke them.
No, no, no. Yeah, dance. Dancey dance.
It's rock and roll, baby.
Jimmy, Jimmy.
Against you, girl, get back in there.
I feel lucky.
I feel lucky, yeah. No professor don't understand my way. I feel lucky today. Well, I strolled down to the corner, gave my numbers to the clerk. The pot's a living milk, so I called and said to her. I bought a pack of candles, a burrito, and a park crossed against the light, made a beeline for the park. The sky became round. In the morning, I heard a voice above me saying, better get back home. But I feel lucky. I feel lucky. Trying to catch my eye, was right beside me with his hand upon my thigh. Oh, the love story, the simple but it's true. Hate the stars, but the numbers never do. I feel lucky. Oh, I feel lucky. Hey,
Can you dance? Hey, Jimmy.
What are you doing? Oh, pretty. Are you a tough guy? Oh, where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Don't just show it. Aren't you eating, Mom? It's a funny face.
2641 453. 2641 453.
Where's it coming from? Who's yours, Ron? Mine? What?
Hey.
Crazy!
Today's moving Country Coyote 93, Alabama records from the Juicy Stuff Actress. 9:31 Christmas Eve day. It was 12 hours of Christmas right night on your radio. More hits on the way.
Is it supposed to
This is
snow tomorrow,
Hotel are among some of the hits that are coming up the rest of this hour.
Don't want to
really
drive
on
bad
Monday,
weather.
the Coyote Country 93, 12 hours of Christmas. That's coming up next. And there's been a, if you've been listening to Good Luck Card to campaign previously going on. If you would like to send a Good Luck card to the Huskers down in Florida, stick around because coming up on the other side of this break, I'm
Can
going
you
to tell
smell
you
peach,
what
Mom?
you can send those cards. So get yourself a pen and a paper. And
You ain't got that camera going
right here on
downstairs.
today's New Hit Country Coyote 93.
Where's your hair?
We're here at the
Yeah.
where you'll find a renewed dedication to the principles
Where's your eye?
of Baby Davy, the most widely acclaimed grocery store concept in the
Where's your
Midwest
nose?
today. I'd like to introduce you to
Where's
one
your nose?
You'll meet in
Not
every
your
aisle.
ear, your eye.
You'll meet Sherry
You
Taylor,
crazy
who
turkey,
oftentimes
you.
goes out of her way to help her customers.
I take care of
Yeah,
the
you.
cheese and the lunch meat and aisle one. I
You.
really like it. And all the regulars come.
You.
It's like they know that's my little corner. of the
You.
world. They treat me like I'm their
You.
their money. A lot of them know that they can come back to aisle one if they need help.
You. You.
Sherry Nicolai, with a friendly smile, you'll be in every aisle
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Chips and dip and
Where's my
vegetables
monster?
and little hot dogs and little
There he
Not a lot.
is. Is that your Christmas present? Was it Papa?
25?